Lord of mercy. It's crazy. Wow.
I think we made it okay.
Well, we'll see when we get there to the house.
Can't knock this shit down.
Wow. Wow.
Come on, baby.
You know, I'm documenting all this stuff. This is crazy. Okay, y'all, so we're back at our house. We're in the yard. We have a little bit of devastation. Some trees fell down. Fortunately, nothing fell on our house. But we got some major trees to clear. As you can see, this large oak fell. This is just crazy. Power is out, power is down. Yeah, we're just doing the best we can just to clean up, but thank God nothing fell on our house. Any of the vehicles we had left here parked were fine. The dogs came out fine. We had to leave them in our living room, which was not good, but at least we moved the furniture so they didn't chew it up. Just a little bit of poop and plea to clean up, but other than that, we're good here. Babe's in the house. We're cleaning the floor right now.
And we're cleaning up the yard.
Yes, me and the kids are trying to clean up the yard.
I will help if you help.
It came out all right. We're blessed. Nothing too major happened. There's the house, and Babe just got finished cleaning out the living room. I'm gonna try and get the generator up.
I'm the boss of the crew, and Mommy's the queen of the crew.
That's right. Should have seen our driveway. Our driveway is the craziest. We had to park the van in the driveway and climb over a bunch of trees. We're going back to the car through our driveway. This is our driveway right here. Y'all please be careful. Go the way that we came the first time, okay? Just be careful and watch your step. Don't just grab onto anything. Make sure before you go. Okay, let me go through. Let me go through first. Be careful. Watch your head. Watch your step.
This car is got stuck.
Yeah. I wonder if the neighbors cleared a path yet.
But Mom, everyone's thinking to climb the trees though.
We just need to grab a couple bags. That's it. Chase, come back. Well, Chase, where did your bad butt go? Watch your step. Come on. Got it? Oh, I forgot my tennis shoes. That's what I wanted to get. Ah, dang. No, baby. They're in the car. Come on, let's go. Watch your step.